And a first alert if you love to eat jalapeños, the CDC is linking 5 salmonella cases in Nebraska to a nationwide outbreak. Last night at 10, we told you Chipotle was removing jalapeños from some of its restaurants as a precaution. Now, the CDC reports 345 salmonella cases across the country, 36 of those needing a trip to the hospital. Those jalapeños were traced back to Mexico and distributed by Coast Citrus distributors.
Yeah, good time to avoid greens, it seems.